welcome to today's video. Today's video is an unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 5. I bought this for me, and I have these little things. I don't know what these are. My husband was the one that he did the purchase. I paid for it, and he got this smartwatch cases, and I got this one. Is Samsung. I do have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is what I'm recording with, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 with pink band. And let me see if it has some other thing here that I saw for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and according to this has GPS. And Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, 40mm face, 20mm standard strap, S small, and M for medium, wireless charger, USB-C, quick start guide, Samsung terms and condition. So it says what? Wall chargers sold separately. Use only Samsung approved chargers and cables. To avoid injury or damage to your device, do not use incompatible, worn, or damaged batteries, chargers, or cables. I did buy this in Amazon. I will link it down below if you want to buy it as well. This is probably the stuff for you to read. And this is the watch. Look at this. They had it in silver, white, and then this pink nude color. I wanted this pink nude color because the white, I to me, I feel like it's dirty. It's easy for you to spot that it's dirty, you know. Yes, we're gonna scoop these things out. I am working with one hand because I am recording with the other, holding my phone with the other. It's kind of late right now. And I decided let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Okay, it has quick start guide and terms and conditions. Why doesn't it come out? The little box. Oh, it has a little slot there. So we can open it from this side, no big deal. And then this is the cable. Look at this. This is the charger. But as you can see, it has the USB plug. It doesn't have how the hell am I gonna charge it then? What the hell? Okay, that's all that it has in this little box, as well as that little box. Let's go to the terms and conditions and blah 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 blah. Look, power, home, on and off. Power, home, on and off. This is kind of like the whichever side you want it to appear. I have to register my device. Register the device. Get to know your device. Get started. Charge the battery. Your device is powered by a rechargeable battery. To recharge, use the included wireless charger and a USB Type-C adapter. Sold separately. Use only Samsung approved chargers. We read that already. Get connected. Download the Galaxy wearable app. Activate your Galaxy Watch to connect device and smartphone. So I would need to do that on my phone, which I'm recording on. Band adjustment tips for models, which include the D-buckle, sports band. Open the magnetic buckle, open the clasps, and slide at the end of the band. Approved fireworm discretion. Attributes, specific absorption rates, emergency call, exposure radio frequency signals, and says Samsung Electronics of America. I think this is the newest brand, or the newest one, because it has Galaxy Watch 5 is the newest, is the latest. And that is how it looks. It has this. I can't remember how much it was, to tell the truth. I don't remember because it was on another price and it was on sale the day that I purchased it. And we have this charger, and this charger has a little cube there, and I believe you put it like that, and then you just place, yep, it has a magnetic thing there. You see that? If you put it like this, it won't stick, but if you put it like that, it sticks. So I'm gonna have to get a plug that has this thing which I have it on my charger for my Galaxy phone. Let me show you. This is like the wall charger. This one you have to buy separately. This is from my phone. Look at Samsung. This is from my phone. So it says for you to buy only like appropriate ones from that are from this. So you can see is a C charger, and you're gonna have to connect that to this. Give me a second. And then you connect it. Give me a second again. Okay, it's connected this to the wall charger, and I'm gonna put it here. I'm going to hold one of the buttons to turn it on to see what's going on. It says fully charged, I'm guessing. There you go. Look at that. 26% rechargeable. I'm gonna take it off just for a second just to see what is. I'm gonna hold it. Nothing happens. There it is. Samsung, Sega. Have you got those Nintendo Sega things? Sega. There you go. Samsung. Let's let it run. Right on the other side, it says the model: Sapphire Crystal, GPS, 5 ATM, and some other little stuff. It says made in Vietnam by Samsung. Can you see? That's what it says, Samsung, and then it has the little barcode thing. And this, of course, tests your arm, and then the charger as well. Welcome. We'll slide. Galaxy Watch. Get started in the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. We get language. English, Philippine. No! Let's go back. No, English, United States. Okay, accessibility. Let's click on accessibility. So back, visible enhancement, hearing enhancement, interaction dexterity, advanced settings. Talk back needs observe your actions, receive notifications. Well, no, not right now. Let's go back. Can we get back? Okay. These are all like stuff, but I would have to manage it over in the app first. Welcome, Galaxy Watch. See, get started with the app, wearable app on your phone. Okay, we did click that. Nope. No. I believe that was. No, let's go back. Kill? Let's guess it. Oh my gosh. Language. English from the United States. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there because I'm messing it up. I'm working through it, seeing it through the phone, and it's messing me up. I'm gonna have to upload and do the installing on the app. Then I'll get back to you with all the shenanigans. Okay. Okay, I already did the installing of the app over at my phone. You need to scan the little barcode, and then it'll open to the app that you need, and it'll maybe 10-15 minutes you would take to completely set up, and it's ready to go. Look at that. Swipe down from the top to open in quick panel. So that swipe up to go back to the watch face. There's a watch face. For apps, swipe up from the bottom edge. Swipe up from the bottom edge. Then you have all your apps. Swipe down to go back to the watch face. There we have that time. For notifications, tap to the right. Tap to open this notification. Swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous screen. Tap to open this. Swipe left to go back to the watch face. For tiles, swipe left. For tiles, daily activities, steps, press the home key to go watch face from this screen. That's it, and you're your watch. Don't miss a thing. The orange dot indicates new notifications. Okay. And we open it. Get more tips and reviews manual. We click to open. Show more tips and reviews. You simply scroll. That actually went to my phone, so it cut me off. But there it is. You see, very easy. That is charging. That's the wall charger. When you open the, let me go back to over here. When you go and download the app, which is this, it does ask you two things. If this is through a wireless service, so that means through your phone company, like let's say AT&T, Comcast, or T-Mobile, whoever you have your phone bill with, if this came from a company like that. If it didn't, like mine that I buy it through Amazon, you will click a Wi-Fi, and it asks you for a serial number. With the serial number, it's really tiny and it's hard to tell, but you can find it right here on the back of the watch. Input it, and it'll automatically find your watch and then connect it to your phone, and then you can do the process. The process is approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Then you're all done, all set, and you can see I finished the setup right in front of you. It's easy. And go home, go back, swipe, notifications. This is the home button, and this is the watch that you could see. See, I press home. When you're here, you press home, and it takes you back to the watch face. If you're over here and you press this only takes you back to something, wherever that you're at. Let's say if I'm in, click the calendar. It says today, Veterans Day, all day. Right there says Monday, November 13th, which is not. It's not the date. I have to fix that. It's not even Monday either. We are on Saturday.
Oh, that's for Mom.
And then see, this is just a back button, and this one is home button to click for your watch. Yeah. This one are little faces or cases. It has little instructions for you to wipe, clean, and how to add wipes and dry. And this goes right over it just to give a little more protection on the watch. And as easy as that, is protected. Look at that. It gives more protection to the edge because this is glass. It does not it doesn't oh, look, is this that thing? Look, I have to add this without recording, so I can add it there, so it gives a little bit more protection to the screen, and you don't need to break it. And that's also in the Amazon. I will include the links right in the description box if you want to buy it yourself as well. Right now, first experience, first review, first look, unboxing. I give it a 5 out of 5. It's easy to install. It's easy to connect to your phone. And it's just like a phone. Swipe, go back, and that's it. All done, chicken nuggets. Yeah, other than that, that is all that I have for you guys for the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 5. And if you haven't done so, please click subscribe, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. The little cases over here are also in silver, black, clear, and I have another gold rose like this one. Yeah. And I believe all of them come with their thing, their little glass protector. Yep, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.